Welcome back to the channel. Today a video on a quick release for your Harley Davidson Sportster. This is a gloss black finish from Finrare Moto. Link will be down in the description with a 5% discount code. I was sent this item out to review it, and as soon as I got it, I threaded it on really good, really easy. This is a gloss black finish. They do have other finishes and other products, so go ahead and check out their website. I like it. It really matches perfect, complements the bike, and easy access to your battery and other things that you have under your seat. So there it is, quick release by Finrare Moto. Check them out. Let's ride. I haven't really ridden with my solo seat for about a year now. Feels different. Doesn't feel as bad as I thought it would. I think the first thing that you need to do if you buy a Iron 883, I don't know about the 48, is get a seat, because I remember being bounced around and tuck and roll seat, that's what they call it, the factory seat, and it wasn't fun at all. And I know when I got the La Pera, a lot of that changed, and I was really satisfied with that seat. They are kind of pricey. I think those seats start like at 400 and go all the way up to like 7. But it's definitely worth it. Jump off right here and show you the tuck and roll seat compared to the La Pera. Okay, so here it is, the tuck and roll seat. Doesn't look too bad. It's a single seat. This is the La Pera right here. It's called a Silhouette, and this is actually a gel seat that I had specially ordered. So I don't even really know where you could get them from anymore, the gel seats that La Pera makes, but this is the Silhouette. Iron also doesn't come with passenger pegs. I had to add those myself. It was kind of messed up because after I put the short shot exhaust on, I wanted to put passenger pegs on after getting the La Pera seat, and I had to take the exhaust back off to put the peg on that side. I think I'll probably start rocking this seat once in a while in the summertime, just for a different look, not for the comfort, of course. Link to where you can get parts for your Sportster or motorcycle will be down in the description. Let's get out of here.